Well, it's really exciting for myself and the Redbelly team. This is a project that we started 6 years ago in 2016, a project that started with academia, born out of the University of Sydney and CSIRO. So to actually see this manifest to where we're actually launching this groundbreaking world-first solution for digitizing real-world assets, compliant asset tokenization, is really exciting. This is a market that's projected to be more than $16 trillion in 7 years' time. But it's not only the projections that we're seeing, we're also seeing explosive growth already happening around real asset tokenization. In the last year, there has been $1 billion of TVL, which is total value locked within the category, and that is a 10 times growth in the last 12 months. And we're just scratching the surface. And if you start to look at some of the leading organizations in the world that are really providing bullish commentary and support of compliant asset tokenization, such as BlackRock, the leading asset manager in the world. The Federal Reserve are very strong on supporting the tokenization of real-world assets, and organizations like the European Central Bank and World Bank as well. With a lot of blockchains, they've been really focused in other areas that have not been right fit to support tokenization of real-world assets. Majority of blockchains have focused on being open, permissionless, but also focused around censorship resistance and anonymity, and lack of the accountability and compliance required to support asset tokenization. At the same time, there are other blockchains that are closed permission blockchains, and they lack the composability and flexibility and interoperability required to support asset tokenization. And Redbelly really addresses both of those worlds. Redbelly was designed to meet the compliance required, the accountability and composability to support real-world asset tokenization. Some of the significant market challenges associated with asset tokenization really have been around managing regulation and compliance and the identity of participants. And that's actually what Redbelly is solving for. So where other blockchains have not been able to address those areas, the underlying principles of Redbelly supporting accountability and also our ability to be able to compose compliance. So as we see regulation evolving within the marketplace, now and in future, it's going to be incredibly important that we're able to be flexible and allow users of the platform to be able to program and design their own requirements based on whatever jurisdiction that they're operating in, whichever use cases, because the rules and regulations around how we identify and verify the credentials of users will be different. And that is exactly what the Redbelly platform will do. It's allowing the programming and design of compliance at the transactional level. Compliant asset tokenization removes the barriers of risk and compliance associated with other blockchains. Redbelly delivers strong finality, security, scalability, and throughput that is truly differentiated. So Redbelly's compliant asset tokenization solution enables Web3 to solve real-world practical problems in a compliant way in a multi-trillion-dollar market. It's a big deal. The tokenization of real-world assets is really opening up some strong opportunities, allowing democratic and compliant access. And that is good for businesses, that is good for Web3, that is good for investors, that's good for the world. We're really excited to share this revolutionary solution of compliant asset tokenization with our community. We really look forward to your feedback, so please engage with us on channels, come to our website, but we would love your feedback.